Ni kambeini ya mathomo ma mbirarū ya Lanet kaunti-ini ya Naikuru kuria President Kenyatta atongorete igongona ria kwamukira mbuto-ini ya ugitiri maabitha aria marikitie mathomo mao ma ihinda ria mwaka umwe.
Today marks the beginning of a military career, a journey of a lifetime of service that calls for duty, honor, and courage.
Gikundi giki nikio gigukorwo kiri kia mbere university-ini njeru ya mathomo ma mbirarū maria President augite ni megutigirira honge cia ugitiri iri na ugi na utaramu wa kiriu wa kuigana kugacirithia ugitiri.
It is now a fully chartered university, is now fully up and running, and is preparing to commence academic and professional development of the personnel across our entire security sector.
The officers who commission are professionally, physically, intellectually, socially, and morally oriented to military life.
Na kuona university ino oho ni koretwo ikihe mathomo maabitha kuma mabũrũri mangĩ, President augite riri ni ikinya ria mwanya hari kugacirithia uiguano na ugitiri mabũrũri-ini ma gĩtarũ kia Africa.
Is the true spirit of Pan-Africanism, where our training experiences enhance interoperability in multinational engagements, and fundamentally these partnerships will foster peaceful relations within our region and beyond.
Age aria megwikinyitie igongona-ini riri ni governor wa Naikuru Kenyanjui, minister wa ugitiri wa mihaka Eugene wa Marua, hamwe na maabitha age thirikari-ini. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, Getu wa Maria wa Muigana.